Okay, let's see how you can create a simple subscription just with one item. And I won't explain here all the specific fields, what they mean. It's done into details. I'll do that in another video. And there's a video on how to use copy function and all that. So this is kind of the happy flow, the simple create. So this is kind of the happy flow, the simple creation process of a new subscription. I've navigated into the subscription list. And as you can see, it's empty. So I'm creating the first one in the system. I'll go up and click New. I'll tap to the next field and then select the customer. I need to select the customer because the system needs to know who should be invoiced when we run the create invoice job. I'll try this one in Paris. And of course, the cell 2 information will be inherited here. I can change the salesperson code and your reference. That's standard functionality. What I need to do now is create the lines on my subscription. So if I left it now, it wouldn't be ready. And you can also see that I get the normal notices that this customer has an overdue balance, and I can handle that as I do in a normal sales process. But for now, I'll just remove it. So we'll do a subscription, which is fairly simple. I need to choose the type. So I say it's an item. And I know I have them down here. So I have different types of memberships. I have a yearly, a quarterly, and a monthly. And let's take the yearly one for now. Say we sell one of those. And then because there's a unit price on that item, it will inherit it, and there's a standard discount as well. So that's just because it was set up on the item. Then I need to look into the fields which define the subscription part of this order. So I'll enter start date. So let's say 1st of January. Then I need to put in the invoicing frequency. And since it was a yearly membership, it might be 1 year. That depends on your subscriptions, of course. I'll need to enter the end date, and it's calculated based on my setup in the subscription setup or what I chose in the wizard. But I can override it here if I want to. Then I need to enter the next invoicing date. So when should we invoice this for the first time? And we could say it was September 1st. And we can say when the ending date is for this. And if I wish to defer, I can choose one of the codes here. So this will defer the sale over 12 months. The project code was inherited by the item or the customer. And I can add department codes or other dimensions that we're using in our company. I can, of course, also consider the invoicing tab, which is also mostly inherited from the customer. There's also the posting date, payment terms, due dates, payment methods, and all that. And I can see that this customer is handled in currency code Euro. And if I go out to the list again, you can see that I have a subscription here. And once we start selling and invoicing, it will update my subscription details over here.